Laugh out loud, mastering exaggeration in jokes. Hello, and welcome to today's video. We'll be diving into the world of humor today, specifically focusing on the use of exaggeration in jokes. Why exaggeration, you might ask? Well, it's because exaggeration is one of the most effective tools in the joke teller's toolbox. It helps make the ordinary extraordinary, and the mundane ridiculous. First things first, let's talk about what exaggeration is. Exaggeration is a form of overstatement. It involves representing something as being larger, better, worse, more, or less than it actually is. We often use exaggeration in everyday conversations to emphasize points, but in jokes, it can add a level of absurdity that results in laughter. Now that we understand what exaggeration is, let's look at some examples of jokes where exaggeration plays a key role. Consider this classic one-liner. I told my wife she should embrace her mistakes, she gave me a hug. In this joke, the exaggeration lies in the unexpected interpretation of mistakes as referring to the person speaking, which is an exaggerated and humorous way to express self-deprecation. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. How can you create your own exaggerated jokes? 1. Identify a situation or object. Start with something simple, like a daily activity or a common item. This makes your joke relatable. 2. Exaggerate an aspect of it. Make it bigger, smaller, more intense, or less plausible. The key is to defy expectations in a playful way. 3. Formulate your joke. Setup and punchline. The setup gives the situation or the normal scenario, and the punchline delivers the exaggeration. Let's create an example together. Situation. Making a cup of coffee in the morning. Exaggeration. It takes forever. Joke. Every morning I make a cup of coffee. It takes so long, by the time it's ready, it's already time for my afternoon tea. The most important part of joke telling is practice. Try creating your own jokes using the process we've outlined, and try them out on friends or family. Remember, humor is subjective, and what one person finds funny, another might not. The important thing is to keep trying and refining your jokes. In time, you'll find your comedic voice and your sense of timing. And there you have it. The art of exaggeration in jokes is a fun and creative way to spice up your English conversations. It takes practice, but with time, you'll be making people laugh in no time. Remember, the key to a good joke is a good exaggeration. Keep practicing, keep laughing, and we'll see you in the next video.